Stop wasting ad spend. Get real results, not just clicks. Introducing GTM conversion tracking for WooCommerce helps you pinpoint which marketing efforts actually drive sales, optimize your spending, and convert more visitors into customers. Here's how easy it is to get started. Navigate to ShopLentor. Settings. Modules. Enable the GTM conversion tracking module. Insert your Google Tag Manager ID into the provided field. Click the Generate Now button to generate the GTM container template. Click the Download GTM template button to save the file. Import and publish in Google Tag Manager. Go to your Google Tag Manager account. Select your container. Import the GTM template container file you downloaded earlier. Choose your preferred workspace. Go to Tags. Click the Submit button. Add a version name. Click the Publish button. GTM conversion tracking helps store owners boost marketing results, spending smarter with clear, data-driven decisions. Ready to pinpoint your revenue sources? Enable GTM conversion tracking today and watch your sales soar.